Watch the yolk glow like a full moon over simmering dashi broth. This Tsukimi Udon turns cozy noodles into brunch level comfort. I'll also show you how to make this cute fish cake rabbit. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Tsukimi Udon Sudachi to find me. Let's start by creating a beautiful soup. Pour 500ml of dashi stock into a saucepan and add 2.5 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Let it bubble for 1 to 2 minutes so the alcohol from the mirin cooks off. While that simmers away, a quick note on what we're making. Tsukimi Udon literally means moon-gazing udon. It gets its poetic name from how the egg resembles a full moon floating among clouds in the broth. The dish is tied to autumn, though plenty of udon shops serve this comfort bowl all year. Many versions drop in a raw egg and simmer, but today I'm opting for sunny side up. Once time is up, turn off the heat, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, stir to dissolve, and leave the pot on the warm stove so it's ready to reheat right before serving. Heat a frying pan on medium, lay in 4 rashers of bacon and fry until they're crisp on both sides. I'm doing this because I want my recipe to be more than simple kake udon with a raw egg. Pairing bacon and egg with udon turned out to be an unexpectedly good match. Now crack those 2 eggs directly into the pan and fry them sunny side up style until they're cooked exactly to your liking. If you prefer to keep your bacon separate from the egg cooking process, feel free to remove it from the pan first, it's totally up to you. While those eggs are sizzling away, let's get our udon noodles going. Cook them according to the package instructions. Once they're perfectly tender, drain them through a sieve or colander and give them a good rinse with fresh hot or warm water. Now let's make the Kamaboko rabbits. Because in Japanese culture, we see a rabbit on the moon. Take 4 slices of Kamaboko fish cake, so 2 per bowl. For each slice, cut along the bottom of the pink edge. Then lay the flap flat on the board and cut it in half to form the ears. Fold the ears under so the edge wedges into the middle. Add 1 black sesame seed for an eye, then dip a chopstick in ketchup and dab on a little blush under the eye. Divide the noodles and broth between 2 bowls. Top each portion with 2 slices of bacon, a fried egg, 2 Kamaboko rabbits, a generous pinch of finely chopped green onions, and a scattering of tempura flakes. The bacon and the tenkatsu bring texture, the egg is a glossy moon, the rabbits are a playful nod to the Japanese folklore that rabbits live on the moon. And that's Tsukimi Udon, ready to slurp. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my udon playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.